Well, this is only speculation, but the world might burn away any minute. I fail to separate the difference between fact and fiction. Where is my pain? All I love is that the government holds in prison. You can't move on unless you pay the officials. Just let it go. Soon dissolve into the earth like the rest of them. Giving space to the past unless if we fight the infection, it stays the same. You look to God, but all we're left with is negligence. Religion sits on a pedestal, ignoring the peasants. Created devils that